So this is how it actually works. So let's click on this. So click on an article waiting for it to load. Look at this point you're seeing up here. It says 0 points for viewing a post. So you see you've gotten 2 points. You've gotten 2 points. You just scroll down, click, just comment, just say I really like this post. Then you post your comments. You see, you've earned another point again for approved comments. So you can just keep going, and eventually. So let's go back to the let's see how much we can do now. See, you still earn for viewing the page. So I've gotten 987, and this is it. Minimum amount is 1,000. So if you look at 1,000 here, that is 1,000 naira easy. So you can easily make 5,000 naira daily from this website. So I don't have enough points. Okay, now let's see. You need to actually set up your payment method. Now click on payment settings here. So you see. So just type in your bank name. Do it this way. Bank name. Let's just say Zenith Bank account number. O2. Just put in random. This one just put NG. Bank name Zenith Bank. Sorry, account name. Sorry. You should just put your name. Put your real name. This is gonna be some cash. So routing number NG. Please remember the account name here must match. The account name here must match your account name on the website. So I'm saving it. I've saved my address. So now if I go payment method, see, it's already saved here. So now the account name, this account name here must match this account name. I click on account. So it must match this account name here. So edit your profile. See, change this name, change this any masterclass, change it to make sure it is your main account name. So that way you can keep on earning from the website. They are adding new features daily, but for now we are among the first 100 people to actually use the website. So we're earning before others. So as you can see, we're still earning. And if you want to submit your own post, like the article I just showed you, just click on dashboard. So on the dashboard here, see, this is the point. See the point we've gotten sharp fast. On the dashboard, just click on this. Go back to accounts. So going back to account, click on dashboard and submit a post here. So submitting the post will cost you 100 naira. This 100 naira will be charged from your daily update points. That's the website the amount you have. I have 993. So 100 naira are going to be charged there to add a post on the website. So you can just do it now while it is still cheap. And